In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QuickBooks Desktop in just 5 minutes. QuickBooks Desktop is a robust tool for managing your business finances, whether you're just getting started or looking to improve your accounting processes. This step-by-step guide will ensure you can download and install it efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to visit the QuickBooks Downloads page, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Download site. It's a simple starting point, but it's important as it sets the stage for downloading the software. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to prevent any interruptions during the download process. Once you're on the QuickBooks Downloads page, the next thing you'll need to do is select your country and the specific product you're interested in. By choosing your country, you ensure you're getting the correct version that's tailored to your region's tax laws and business regulations. This is a critical step if you want to make sure your software works perfectly with your local requirements. Take a moment to select the correct country from the drop-down menu. After selecting your country, proceed to choose the QuickBooks product you need. QuickBooks offers different products depending on the scale and needs of your business. From basic accounting to more advanced enterprise solutions, they've got something for everyone. Make sure to select the product that aligns with your business size and accounting needs to get the most out of QuickBooks. Now it's time to choose your version of QuickBooks Desktop. On the same page, you'll see options for various versions based on the year. If you're looking for the latest features and support, it's generally a good idea to opt for the most recent version. However, depending on your business needs, you might prefer an older version. Consider your specific requirements before making a decision. Once you've selected your version, simply click on the search button. This action will prompt the site to retrieve the download file specific to your selections. It's a straightforward step, but one that confirms your choices and sets you on the path to downloading the software. Double check your selections to ensure everything is correct before pressing that button. With your version located, the next step is to click on Download. This is where the actual file transfer begins. Your browser may ask you to confirm the download or select a particular folder where you would like the file saved. If prompted, choose a folder that is easily accessible, such as your desktop or downloads folder. This way you can readily locate the installation file once it's finished downloading. After downloading, navigate to your saved file and open the QuickBooks installer. Depending on your operating system, you might receive a security prompt asking for confirmation to open the file. If that happens, go ahead and allow it, as this is a trusted source. Opening the installer initializes the setup process, signaling the start of bringing QuickBooks onto your computer. While QuickBooks is installing, it's a perfect time to buy a plan for the necessary license. This is obligatory because once the installation is complete, you will be prompted to enter your license information. QuickBooks offers various plans with different features to accommodate different business sizes, so assess which plan best suits your needs and purchase it from the QuickBooks website. Having this ready will ensure that the activation process goes smoothly without unnecessary delays. Finally, proceed with the installation by providing your company details when prompted by the Setup wizard. Enter your business information accurately, as QuickBooks uses this information to customize your experience. Then, when requested, input your purchased license details to activate the software. This is the concluding step that gives you full access to all of QuickBooks Desktop's features. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you have successfully downloaded and installed QuickBooks Desktop. This tool is now ready to help streamline your business's financial management. You can start exploring its features and integrate it into your daily accounting tasks. Remember, using the correct installation path is essential for a smooth experience. So if you ever face any hitches, you can revisit this guide or seek help from QuickBooks support. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy accounting!